Hello everyone, today I'm going to be redecorating my patio since it is a beautiful spring day and I want to start utilizing my outdoor area in my apartment more. So I thought it would be a good idea to take you along and show you how I mix new and vintage items in an outdoor setting and also show you the herbs and plants I got for my patio. Right now my patio is in complete disarray because I let all of my plants die throughout the winter, so it is really in need of some love and some color, and I am just so excited to get this done and be able to sit outside and enjoy this amazing patio. Because my patio was so dirty, I decided to first clear everything off and then hose it down. I wanted to add some texture to the patio as well as be able to walk outside barefoot, so I thought a good solution to that would be to get one of these plastic rugs, and I got this one from Cost Plus, and I just absolutely love it. I think the colors and the pattern look really great on my patio. These are chairs that I've had on my patio since I moved in. This yellow one is from Magnolia and Willow, and this plaid one I found at an estate sale. I used to have a plant stand in between these chairs, but I figured a table would be a lot more practical, so I picked this one up from Magnolia and Willow. This flamingo welcome mat is actually from Target and it was only $12. I also got a bunch of new plants, including this aloe plant and also some new flowers for my hanging pots. This baker's rack is actually a gift that I got from my neighbors when I first moved in, and I always have it filled with herbs that I use for cooking. They all died through the winter, so I had to get all new ones, and I'm so excited to start cooking and using these herbs in my kitchen. I also think it's important to make sure that you have a lot of lighting for nighttime, so I got a citronella candle to ward off mosquitoes, and my neighbors recently put up these beautiful string lights, so it's just so relaxing and pretty out in the courtyard at night. Thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more home decor videos coming really soon.